When you first open PowerPoint, it will bring you to this menu. And this is where we can create new presentations or open existing ones. Now, this has three menus here. We can go to the home menu, which will allow you to create new presentations or open presentations that you've previously worked with. We can hit the new button here, and this is somewhat familiar. This is where we can go through and create blank presentations. We can also use themes or templates, or you can open files. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on home, and we're just going to left click on blank presentation. And that's a really simple presentation that we can build on. Now I like to save fairly early in the process. So I'm going to go ahead and do a file, save as. And this will allow me to save in any number of places. I can save to a OneDrive. I can save to my local PC, or I can add a place such as a SharePoint site or something like that. It will also give me some of the recent folders that I've used in case I need to save there. Or if I want, I can click Browse, and that will allow me to browse my local computer. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to the desktop. And let's just call this my presentation and hit save. Now, once it's saved, you can continue to work on it if you want, or you can open additional files to work on those. So let's go ahead and look at the open menu. Let's go File, Open. And again, we can go to OneDrive, our own PC, or any other place that you add. Now, I just saved out my presentation so it shows up at the top of the list. I can certainly open any other file that's in this list, or I can browse for additional files if I want. Now, one thing I'd like to show you is the ability to pin files to this menu. So if I'm always working on this file and I want to be sure to access it quickly, I can just hit this pin icon, and now it is pinned to this menu, and it will always show up at the top. And this is a great way to save out those things that you work on most frequently. Now we're going to continue to work with this presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the back button here. And now we have our presentation. So as you can see, it's very easy to open, create new files, as well as save them.